Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Partnership. So today I will show you how to visualize and how to download uh, rainfall data using Google Earth Engine. So it is a very powerful data I would say for all the hydrological analysis, flood and drought monitoring and water resources assessment and planning. So because in my last video I showed you how to about the flood risk maps where I combined digital elevation models slow for to calculate the flood risk, right? So one of the if we talk about hydrologic modeling and hydraulic modeling, then rainfall would be a essential kind of essential data, right? So that's why I was thinking that before going to further videos, so rainfall data visualization and how to download it and all the data sources need to be know so that you can use that in your research, because in the upcoming video I am working on urban flood risk, right? Not the urban flood modeling but urban flood risk by using satellite data, means whatever in the open source platform, whatever data is available. So that's why rainfall data is essential. That's why I'm preparing this or showing this video to you guys, right? So this is CHIRPS data. Like IMERGE is one of the data, and Indian Meteorological Department and we also have data. So CHIRPS means Climate Hazard Group InfraRed Precipitation with station data. 1982 near present data available. Resolution is around 5 kilometer and useful for drought and flood monitoring, flood risk. So how to if you go to this is the link, and if you click here, so it will take you at the Google. I already opened here. So if with the Google Earth Engine. So here is, so it will open like this. You can see. So here you can read everything about data. What is the band, right? And citation, how in terms of use, and this is the code also, the JavaScript as well as Python. So since I am using Java code right now, JavaScript, so you can see this is how it opens, right? So if you open code editor, then it will be like that. So it's loading. So you can see. So if you run it, then the data, you can see the global data, right? So this is one of the current, one of the excellent data I would say. So now this is fine, but if we talk about use uh, how to use data for a particular region or particular coordinates, so this is that's why I'm trying to do. So I have already created a blank sheet. So now we can write here code. UI. First we will define dot geometry dot rectangle. So we will define the coordinate. You can use your coordinate. These are sample 58.4 and 77.6, 28.9. Right. So, so this is our. If I run it, then you will not see anything. Right. So if you want to the bounding, what is the boundary of that area? Then you can write it like this. We need to add these coordinate. Add there, right? Y. Can define color also. Red. Run it. Let's see what. So you can see there is a dot, right? If you zoom it, then it will be like this. If you run it again, then Yeah. So so what next is that we can make it center map dot center object. These are the common code, you know that, right? Everywhere, every time I'm writing this. So run it. So you can see now, you can see your area is in the at the 10 zoom level, or you can make it like this. So now what we will do is now we will load the chip data. So we have seen earlier I showed you that how to you can write here also, you can chips. So if you click here, then you will get the code here. Same thing I showed you in my earlier previously. So you can see we have precipitation, everything you can find from here also. If you see the so right now we will just copy this one, right? Copy it, close it, just paste here. So we will put some name here, right? So where CHIRPS equal to this one. So now what we need that what we need this data for our study. And it is AY. Since we have AY our study. Then for which date? So we can write filter date is something 2024 July monsoon season will be 701 2024 07 31st, right? Then run it. Why I'm running it every time is then if any error then it can show here, we can solve it here on, right? So then what next is that now we will calculate the rainfall. Total rainfall equal to pH dot reduce dot reducer dot sum. Because whenever we reduce the data from daily to monthly total, then we use the reducer. This is one of the important function we have to use. Now run it here. If any error, then you can see, right? Then click. We will click with our study area. You can put what we will have total rainfall dot click. Right? So here I have some error. It is good. So what we have write is have to write here where. So that's why every time better to run every time. So now we will write here visualization parameter. So I have already copied here somewhere visualization parameter. So I'm just copy paste from here. For time and redundancy, I will run it here. So it is fine. So after that, I will add this map. I will just cut from here and write it. Right? So you can see how it is. Now we can run it. So it may take 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Yeah. So now you can see this is no, sorry, it is so what I will have here red. Sorry, I have to write in different way. This will be we are going to see here Earlier we were seeing the clip. Now I will show you here clip, clip, and then what we are going to show this one. Visualization parameters, right? And then what we write the total rainfall in mm. Whatever you write as per your July 24, something like that, right? You can write it. So this giving some error. Okay. So you can see this is the rainfall for my study area. So guys, you can see here how to now if you because since a 5 kilometer grid, the resolution is 5 kilometer. It means the one grid is for 5 kilometer. If you see, you click here at this and at this grid, and you can see here 226 means total precipitation happened in 2024 July month is 226. And suppose here, so it's a at this pixel it is 263. So that's why you can use this data set. If you want to export it, then I have written for you can just export it here, right? So you export it and you can run here again. So task is that you can run. So it may take some time. So I'm not waiting for this. So you can open this data set in your in QGIS. So I I I recommend that please do it at your end. If any issue in the exporting the image and visualization in QGIS, so you can I can help you on that. So what I will do is in next video how to export this data, this time series data. This is only for 1 month. So we will do for daily data. I mean, since it is already daily data. So how we can export that data into CSV file or Excel so that you will have time so that you can plot these things in Excel also. And similarly, we will download for multiple years and we will try to calculate average annual average annual rainfall for any area. So similarly, I will do many analysis or many data extraction by using Python also. Please stay on with my YouTube channel and please subscribe it if it is useful for you, and comment it and share it. Thank you very much.